Hello again. This is the Russian accusative case. So in general, the accusative describes the direct object of an action. For example, Mary gives an apple. Apple is the direct object of the action, of the giving. But that's not the only use of the genitive. The genitive can also, the accusative, it can also express certain types of time expression or measurements in cost. And it can also be used with short words called prepositions, which I will touch on a different lecture. So, for example, the use number one is the accusative as direct objects. Я читаю книгу. I read a book. Книгу ends in u, and so it's the object of the reading. What am I reading? A book. Он пишет письмо. What am I reading? I'm reading a letter. So again, it's the direct object of the writing. And it's in a neuter, and that's why it ends in o. Мы знаем студента. What do we know? Whom do we know? We know the student, the male student. And in that case, it ends in a, because it's a living being. So Russian makes a distinction between objects that are living and objects that are not living. Девочка любит бабушку. The young girl loves grandma. So now we have babushka, or the grandmother, is the object of the girl's love. So whom does the girl love? She loves the grandma. Here are more examples of persons or objects that are direct objects. Они любят дедушек. They love grandfathers. Who do they love? They love directly the grandfathers. Я вижу спальню. What do I see? I see the bedroom. Again, the bedroom is the direct object of my seeing. Иван знает писателя. Whom does Ivan know? He knows the writer. And according to what these are, male or female, or if they're objects or they're not objects, the ending changes accordingly. Uses number two for accusative is with certain time expressions, as I said before. For example, она говорила целый час без перерыва. She spoke a whole hour without stopping. So, час, целый час. Час is an accusative, although it doesn't change from the nominative. Misha болел всю зиму. Michael was sick all winter. All winter is the time expression here. And usually it's zima, but it changes to зиму because it's an accusative. Ира пишет рассказы каждую неделю. Again, week is an accusative because it's a time expression here. And because it's usually неделя, it changes to неделю because it's the accusative. And let's see my slide. Okay. Use three is in measurements. Use three of accusative. Он плакал всю дорогу. He cried the whole way, the whole road. Машина весит тонну. The car weighs a ton. Кольцо стоит $1000. Usually is тысяча. But because 1000 is an accusative, as a measurement, becomes тысячу. So here's a table of the endings. So as you realize that Russian words have different endings according to what case they're in. So for accusative masculine and neuter nouns, we have, these are the possible endings. Stol, table, it doesn't change from nominative, it's just stol. Portfel, which is a briefcase, it also doesn't change. But in plural, they change, they become stale and portfeli. Actually, it should be portfeli, I made a mistake here. For student, an accusative, student, because it's animate, becomes studenta. And in plural, because it's a living person, becomes student of. And it's the same case with writer, pisatel, becomes an accusative, singular becomes pisatelia. And for plural accusative, becomes pisatelei. Akno and zdanie are neuter nouns, and they're singular. Akno becomes okna, so it ends in a. And zdanie, building, becomes zdania. So those are the accusative masculine neuter endings. Now for feminine, for singular, we have knigu, and in plural we have knigi. For bedroom, we have spalniu, and for rooms, we have komnaty. For grandmother, we have babushku, one grandmother, and for many grandmothers, we have babushek. And from grandfathers, we have dedushku, and for many grandfathers, we have dedushek. So that's it. This is the quick and easy uses of accusative case and the usual endings. Thank you.